Hey guys, what's up? So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a hand knit blanket and the type of yarn I'm going to be using, which is Yarn Bee's Eternal Bliss, and I have medium gray and this beigey color. So I'm going to be doing two colors with it. What you do when you get all the yarn that you need is you unroll it all and then you square knot it all together so you can work continuously without having to continuously unravel it. So here's the finished blanket. I didn't really have a set amount of loops that I did for the first row, but that's okay. I mainly just used my wingspan as the measurement, which you saw in the video. And I kind of kept going until I ran out of yarn, which is why this section is kind of stretched a little and curves. That's only because I really had to stretch it to get it to finish. I ended up using 7 balls of the Yarn Bee Eternal Bliss yarn, and you can see where I tied them together. I went back after I finished it off and kind of trimmed it up a little bit so it looks better. You can keep it longer if you want and just kind of tuck it in. I did that on some and I clipped it on some, depending on how the yarn reacted after getting clipped, because you can run into problems with yarn like this where the yarn starts getting pulled out of the holder string. You can really do this in any colors. I just chose these initial colors. It was originally going to be just this beige color, but after I held on to it for a while and went to go get more, I realized that they no longer carried the color. I chose a nice complementary color to go with it, so it looks really nice and well put together. You can really use any color scheme you want. This is just the one I used, and I definitely would make this again, and when I do, I'll probably do a video on it again, but kind of just showing different ways. I'll probably try to figure out new patterns to do where it's not just striped, it could be checkered or something. I'll definitely be doing more crochet videos and or suggested videos if you guys have any ideas of stuff that you might want to see. That is kind of a popular thing going on. So just drop a comment on that and I can see what I can do.